In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram's saved audio not showing up. If your saved sounds are missing or not appearing in the saved section, here are a few things you can try. First, update the Instagram app. Open the Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, and install any available updates. Running an outdated version of the app can sometimes cause features to stop working properly. Next, clear the Instagram cache. On Android, press and hold the Instagram app icon, tap App Info, then go to Storage and select Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing the issue. After that, reopen Instagram and try saving an audio again. Open any reel, tap on the audio name, and then tap Save. To check your saved audio, go to your profile, tap the menu icon in the top right corner, select Save, and open your audio collection. If the problem continues, uninstall Instagram and reinstall the latest version from the Play Store or App Store. A fresh installation can often resolve account or app-related glitches. That's how you can fix Instagram's saved audio not showing up. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.